Welcome to Marketecture, where you can get smart fast with in-depth interviews of leading technology vendors. I'm Mike Shields, and I'm here with Walter Knapp. He's the CEO of Sovrn. Hey, Walter, thanks for being here.
Hey, Mike. Good to talk to you.
So let's start from the top with the big, important, basic, but not simple question. What does your company do?
So we started Sovrn back in January of 2014 with a pretty simple mission. If you look at our logo, which if people go to the website, they'll see our logo. Inside the logo, there are picks and shovels. So in the V in the end, you'll see them. Once you look at the logo, then you can't unsee them, sort of like the FedEx logo. And the idea was, when we started the company, was how do we create a tools company that empowers open web businesses to do three things. Understand their business better so that they can make better decisions. Operate their business more efficiently, because I know of no company on the planet that has enough time, people, or money. So operating your business efficiently and making better investments is super important to every business. So understand your business better, operate your business more efficiently, and make and keep more money. And so what we do is we provide many different products and services to our customers to help them do one, two, or all three of those things.
You said you help companies on the open web. Are we talking publishers? Are we talking, DSPs, SSPs, all kinds of firms? Who are you? Who is this built for?
Yeah, it's a really good question, Mike, and it's also so let me try to be clear. So it's by definition, when I say open web businesses, that's intentionally very broad. What I would say concentrate on are people who create content and distribute content for a living. So that you might refer to that as a publisher or a media business, but it also includes influencers, independent creators, things like that.
Okay.
So our customer base is very large, right? Many, many thousands and thousands of customers. And those customers range from individual influencers that own no website. They operate entirely on social media. Mm-hmm. They use some of our affiliate commerce tools, and many of them make a lot of money doing that. But they operate entirely on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, et cetera. And then it ranges up through the mid-tail to sites that, I'm sure if you're like super into Teslas and you own one, you know what Teslarati is, which is a very mid-tail site, very focused on Tesla owners. And then you sort of move up into the larger part of the internet, and then we work with a number of the who's who, larger media companies that sort of we all know and love. And they use different tools and different services from us, but that's our primary customer base. I'm going to pile on a little bit in that we do have a number of customers that we think are important businesses that use our products a little bit more off-label, but we count amongst our customers pretty much every single one of the big buy now, pay later companies.
Okay.
We also count amongst our customers some of the largest data companies in the world. So these are all sort of publicly traded who's who name brand data companies that also work with us.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. Are you strictly on the sales side, or not necessarily? It sounds like you're not just publishers, but do you work with brands and agencies as well, or not really?
So I would say we do, but only to the extent that we describe the consumers and describe the inventory and ways that they can reach them. So we work alongside and we have good close partnerships with all of the major DSPs, and we work with brands and agencies for advertising. We also work with big merchants for e-commerce. So and we talk to them a lot because they're interested ultimately in reaching consumers. And by focusing all of our energy on, I'd say, the supply side, we become a conduit and we describe how do you reach the consumers, where are they, what are they doing, what are they clicking on, what content are they spending time with, what products are they purchasing, things like that. And that's what that's been our relationship with the brands, agencies, DSPs. But
Right.
we intentionally don't try to disintermediate those people.
Right. Let's just get into the product a little bit more, because you've hinted at some of the use cases, and sounds like you help companies make more money, understand customers, affiliate marketing. What are the specific products that your biggest customers are using, and maybe help us categorize you if you can.
Yeah, so it's interesting because we're a tools company, and so today we have 4 major product categories. And people who follow Sovrn will notice that we have also been very acquisitive. So we've done 7 acquisitions. And the reason I raised the money on a growing profitable business last year was to continue acquiring more businesses. We bought our 7th company 2 months ago. And the intent is we'll probably acquire 1, 2, or 3 more this year. So our product portfolio keeps expanding. And the reason it is that, again, I'm going to come back to those 3 pillars. When we think about our customer, we think our customer is trying to run a business. And when you're trying to run a business, you're trying to understand your business better so that you can make better decisions. So we can talk about products that we have there. When you're operating a business, you want to be able to make the best investments you can, because you can't waste money. You don't have enough time of it. You don't have enough time. You don't have enough people. You don't have enough money. So we have products that help you become more efficient. And then our products are all intentionally built and priced so that not only will you make more money, but you will also keep more of that money as a customer. And so when we look at their business, we go, hey, how can we continue adding value to you and keep picking off more of the things that drive you nuts, so that you can actually run a better business? And it's really about giving our customers back control. And the name Sovrn means to be independent, to control your own destiny, to be free to do what you want to do, when you want to do it, with whom you want to do it. And so we have, like I said, today we have 4 products. We can talk about those, Mike. But we're intentionally trying to continue to expand our product portfolio.